Dr. Hotze here with a longtime guest of ours at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center, Mary Sanders. And she's back in for a follow-up visit. She's been a guest here now for, this is year in your 11th year. Mm-hmm. And I thought you had really a very interesting story because of the reason why you came here. So why don't you just tell us what was going on in your life back, before 2012, and how in the world did you hear about us, and what made you decide to come in?
Sure, yes. I heard about y'all in a commercial, but I had gone to other doctors in Atlanta, Georgia, and I was going to 12 different doctors. No one could help me, and nobody understood what was going on with me. They finally diagnosed me, actually I did myself, with interstitial cystitis. I was in so much pain. I was probably going to the emergency room once or twice a week, maybe 4 times a month, and it was
and
so...
How long had that been going on?
4 years.
Now this is interstitial cystitis. Cystitis is a bladder infection. So she had an infection in the lining of her bladder, and it would never go away. And they put you on antibiotics and
they
everything.
Put me on everything. They, put me in stirrups and put this thing called Rescue inside, and nothing was working. Then I moved to Texas, and then I heard your commercial, and my husband went and just worked a bunch of overtime and said, we're going to help you. And I came in here, and I remember just being in tears because I was like, wow, really? Let's see if this happens. You went ahead and did what you did for me and told me about the yeast-free diet. Never once in 11 years have I ever had one more pain, ever. It's never happened, and it's all because of you. And it was like just a little before.
And you had that problem going on for at least 4 solid years.
4 solid years.
And going to the emergency room. What were they doing in the emergency room?
Giving me pain pills. And that was all I could do. It was nothing else. I mean, I actually was in so much pain. And I still had kids that were at home. And so it was very difficult.
That was difficult, raising the kids and raising a husband at the same time.
Oh, sure was. Sure was.
So anyway, after you came in, we put you on the yeast-free eating program, put you on medication to kill off yeast. Of course, we probably gave you some natural hormones and thyroid and all that.
Mm-hmm. That really helped. Yep, I got on the probiotics like y'all suggested. I did everything you said. And I'm so happy and I'm so grateful, and it was so great that you come in, and you're always so wonderful to your clients, and you come in and greet us and make us feel like that.
Well, you're not my client, you're my guest.
Oh,
you're our guest.
Thank you.
That's the way we think. We'd love you to be a guest here at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center, and if you have chronic problems that your conventional doctors just want to throw drugs at, and you never get better, and you're getting sicker, and you're getting sicker quicker all the time, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can contact my office at the number on the line, 281-698-8698. Ask for a copy of my book, Hormones, Health, and Happiness. I'll be glad to send it to you free of charge without any expense on your part. I don't want you to get that and read it so you know how you can take charge of your health just like Mary did and get her life back.
I did. Thank you so much. I'm always going to be indebted to you.
You're sweet.
So much. Y'all are the best.
Thank you all for joining us. We'd be glad to help you too.